Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. It's another cooking episode. So ang lulutuin po natin is ang orange chicken. First is I marinate the chicken with salt and pepper and garlic. To coat the chicken, I combine flour, cornstarch, salt and pepper, and garlic powder. First is we coat the chicken cubes with the flour mixture, then dip it with the beaten eggs, and then coat it again with the flour mixture. Just repeat the process until all chickens are coated. It's time to deep fry them. To remove the excess oil, drain it on a piece of paper towels. For the sauce, we have here orange juice, lemon juice, corn flour, water, spring onions, brown sugar, black pepper, orange zest, chili flakes, ginger, and garlic. We also need soy sauce. Let's make the sauce. First is to add the orange juice, the lemon juice, and soy sauce. Add in some water, then the rest of the ingredients, the brown sugar, the garlic, ginger, salt, pepper, and chili flakes. Then the orange zest and the spring onions. And I add in the cornstarch with water to thicken the sauce. Once the sauce is thick already, then add in the chicken. Combine, and here is our finished product, orange chicken. Thank you for watching.